In this video, we're going to look at how to remove the EGR solenoid valve. The EGR solenoid valve is located at left side of the engine, close to the exhaust manifold. Firstly, remove the HT leads as shown in my other video. And then remove the ignition coil unit as shown in my other video. This photo shows that DIS and the HT leads had been removed. The EGR solenoid valve is an electrically operated switch to allow the vacuum from the engine to reach the EGR valve in certain conditions. The metal EGR valve is mounted to the exhaust manifold. If you need to replace the EGR solenoid valve, you will need to remove the wiring plug, the vacuum line to the engine, and the vacuum line to the EGR valve additionally. If you want to remove the camshaft carrier only, you only need to remove the EGR solenoid valve and leave it beside the engine. The EGR solenoid valve is fixed to the camshaft carrier by one bolt, as shown here in the middle area of the photo. Unscrew the bolt, then remove the EGR solenoid valve and leave it beside the engine. This photo shows that EGR solenoid valve has been removed. Notice the hole where the bolt was removed from. Thank you for watching.